T'es City?
Yeah, I am.
Ok,
And
moi
you?
je serai United.
Okay, yeah.
Mais avant qu'on commence, tu peux aller chercher le plateau de la nourriture, please.
Why?
Pour qu'on puisse manger entre les jours.
Pourquoi?
Parce que on va manger. Tu veux
We're
pas
not
manger?
allowed.
Qui t'a dit ça?
Maman.
Mais qui est le chef?
Toi, me, maman, elle a dit, I told you this last time. You have to listen to mom's rules. If you don't, you're gonna get in trouble with your own wife. So I don't want to be involved.
Who does mom listen to?
You.
Ok, si maman m'écoute, moi je te dis maintenant, va chercher le plateau.
My mom told me not to eat here. It goes for every single one of us in this house.
Et Ethan, tu joues avec moi?
No, I'm not. I'm telling you now, she is the maker of all the rules in this house.
You're not gonna get in trouble. Vas-y, sors, va prendre
No.
le... C'est quoi le problème?
No.
Tu dis non? Ok,
Mom.
sors d'ici, sors d'ici.
Mom, Dad wants to eat food in the
Hey,
living
yo!
room. Mom, Dad wants to eat food in the living room.
Yo, zo!